We are zooming deep into the atomic lattice of a diamond, as if through a nanomicroscope, and what we're witnessing is the exact moment of singularity, the quantum interface where matter, energy, and consciousness converge. The structure you're seeing is made up of tightly bonded carbon atoms, each forming perfect tetrahedral connections in a crystalline grid. But within this seemingly flawless lattice, there's one intentional imperfection: a nitrogen atom replacing a carbon, and right next to it, a missing atom. That missing site is called the NV1 center, the nitrogen vacancy location, and it's one of the most fascinating discoveries in quantum physics. When an electron becomes trapped in this vacancy and is stimulated, usually with laser light or microwave energy, it enters a hyperexcited spin state. What makes this so unique is that in this state, the electron resists decoherence. It doesn't collapse under noise or entropy. It spins in what appears to be a frictionless quantum dance, immune to resistance and inertia, forming a localized torsion field, or what some would describe as a miniature wormhole through space-time. This torsion field opens a kind of energetic gateway, and what we begin to see is the quantum field revealing itself through light. The electron at the NV site emits a distinct green glow. This is not just visible light, but a signal from the quantum layer, an entangled emission that bridges the material world and the informational field beneath it. That green light is significant. It aligns with what has been described in ancient traditions as the emerald ray, or the emerald tablets, symbolic of access to the Akashic records, the stored memory field of the cosmos. From this point, the crystalline structure begins to form a bridge upward, as if the information within the quantum field is rising, organizing into higher levels of coherence. The geometry becomes more advanced, resembling sacred architecture, ancient cityscapes made of photonic intelligence, a visual metaphor for crystalline consciousness reaching upward, building itself out of harmonic resonance. What we're seeing is a diamond, not just as a stone, but as a quantum server, a living interface that allows coherence to form between thought, frequency, and matter. The NV center acts like a keyhole, and when excited, it becomes a portal. The electron doesn't just spin, it communicates. It interacts with the quantum field in real time, allowing the diamond to serve as a medium for higher dimensional information to enter our realm. In this state, the crystalline structure begins to emit more than just light. It emits intelligence. We are witnessing the raw architecture of consciousness interacting with quantum matter through the perfect union of geometry, light, and atomic structure. This is a visual and energetic representation of quantum entanglement